Now we are going to start with the next part, that is organic chemistry. And the first chapter of organic chemistry is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now what are haloalkenes or haloalkenes? The replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms in a hydrocarbon, aliphatic or aromatic, by halogen atom results in the formation of alkyl halide and aryl halide respectively. You can see here hydrogen of methane is being replaced by halogen forming haloalkene. Similarly, hydrogen of benzene is being replaced by halogen to form haloarene. Now, classification. Classification of halogen compounds. These may be aliphatic halogen compounds or aromatic. Aryl halides are those which contain at least one benzene ring. Aliphatic haloalkanes may be classified as mono, di, or polyhalogen compounds depending upon whether they contain one halogen atoms, two halogen atoms, or more than two halogen atoms. You can see here one halogen atom, two halogen atoms, and here it is three halogen atoms. Monohaloalkanes can further be classified as primary alkyl halide, where halogen is attached to primary carbon, secondary alkyl halide, where halogen is attached to secondary carbon, and tertiary alkyl halide, where halogen is attached to tertiary carbon. Classification of haloalkanes can also be done on the basis of hybridization of the carbon to which halogen is attached. That carbon may be sp3 hybridized or that may be sp2 hybridized. For sp3 hybridized, it may be primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. These three we have already studied. Then we have allylic halide. This carbon is allylic carbon. Allylic carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon to which halogen is attached, and this carbon is further attached to sp2 hybridized carbon linked with double bond. Then benzylic halide. Now this carbon is benzylic carbon. This is the carbon to which halogen is attached and it is further attached to benzene ring. For sp2 hybridized carbon, we have vinyl halide. This carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. It is linked with halogen as well as with double bond. This carbon is also called vinylic carbon. Aryl halides, the carbon to which halogen is attached is of benzene ring. Then we have nomenclature. I am not going to take this topic in detail because details you had already done in class 11. Here are some examples like chloromethane, chloroethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, triiodomethane, tetrachloromethane, 1,1-dichloroethane, 1,2-dibromoethane, and 1,4-dibromobutane. Some more examples are, this is 2-chlorobutane, 1-bromo, 2,2-dimethylpropane. This I am taking, this is 1-chloro, 2-methylbenzene. It is chlorophenyl methane. Then last is 1-fluoropropane. You can do practice of these structures at your own place, and do remember 2 marks question is always asked from the topic of nomenclature. Then we have methods of preparation, and first method of preparation is from hydrocarbons. From hydrocarbons, it can be prepared by free radical halogenation. This is propane. chlorination in the presence of sunlight, so this secondary hydrogen or primary hydrogen can be substituted. So you get 2 chloropropane which is major in amount, 1 chloropropane which is minor in amount. Means the rate of abstraction of hydrogen is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. This is because if you see the mechanism of this reaction, it involves free radical. And we know stability of free radicals is in this order: tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Similarly, the reactivity of halogens is in the order fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine, and then iodine. Next we have electrophilic substitution. Here we have taken aromatic hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are basically the compounds of hydrogen and carbon. This is also toluene. This is also toluene. Here you can see two different reactions. Reactants are same. Halogen here, halogen here. This reaction is carried in the presence of iron and dark or ferric chloride. In that case, you get two products, orthohalotoluene and parahalotoluene. But if the reaction is carried in the presence of sunlight, then free radical substitution of this aliphatic group takes place and you get halophenylmethane. Addition of hydrogen halides to alkene. These reactions also you have done in class 11. Here, addition of HBr. Reaction follows Markovnikov rule, which says the negative part of the addendum goes to that doubly bonded carbon which has least number of hydrogens. So Br goes to this central carbon and hydrogen goes here. So this is the product formed, which is 2-bromopropane. But if the same reaction is carried in the presence of peroxide, then it follows anti-Markovnikov's rule. Here the negative part Pr goes to that doubly bonded carbon which has maximum number of hydrogen. So the product is 1-bromopropane. Addition of halogens to alkene. Simple addition it is. Bromine is being added. Here it is a double bond. Pi bond is a weak bond. So bromine gets added like this. Reaction is carried in the presence of CCl4. You get 1,2-dibromopropane. This is also a alkene. It is a cyclohexene. Again you are adding bromine. But now the reaction is carried in the presence of heat or UV light. In that case, bromine will not be added at double bond. Rather, it will undergo allylic substitution. So whenever you are solving the reaction, you are to check in which presence the reaction is being carried. So these reagents which we write over the arrows, they are also very much important. Next is from benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium. Benzene, di means 2, azo means nitrogen. So it is benzene 2-nitrogen chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. For chlorination and bromination, these two reactions you can see are similar. Copper chloride and HCl. Here we have taken copper bromide and HBr. In this case, you get chlorobenzene. With copper bromide, you get bromobenzene. These two reactions are called Sandmeyer reactions. Similar products can be obtained if you take only copper powder here. Copper powder and HCl, copper powder and HBr. Then the reaction will be Getterman reaction. If you want to prepare iodobenzene, then it can be done simply by warming with Ki. For fluorobenzene, you have to take NaNO2, HBF4 at 272 to 278 Kelvin. This reaction, fluorination, is known as Bell's-Schiemann reaction. So this is the first method of preparation of haloalkenes and haloarenes from hydrocarbons. We will continue this topic. Thank you.